Even though Shrek, Donkey, and Fiona have left the swamp, one day later, things are looking a little bananas. Universal Orlando on their own social media platforms have been teasing stuff with bananas. And the only thing when it comes to Universal and bananas was, well, besides Kong and Donkey Kong eventually coming to the park, Minions love bananas. And so between the videos they've been posting and Theme Park Bar posted something on Twitter. And by the way, if you've never checked out Theme Park Bar, check it out. Link will be down in the description box. If you love themed drinks, any kind of drinks that are at these events like Halloween Horror Nights, Mardi Gras, Theme Park Bar has you covered for all that coverage. So definitely check out his YouTube channel. Like I said, link will be down in the description box. But he did post a picture. Now they have construction walls that are up with a Minions logos. So I'm assuming between the video platforms that they have been playing and the Minion wallpaper that we're probably looking at an announcement coming very, very soon. And of course, when Universal drops that announcement, we will have a video going over all the details and the history of the Shrek building and Minions with the company. So definitely stay tuned for that whenever they make the announcement. Maybe that potentially rumored Minions attraction, well, some people call it an attraction. We'll have to see about that. And if you want to know about how to do early park admission or EPA, check out this video, and I will see you guys on another video very, very soon.